Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to be giving you an overview of Documo and PointClickCare in our integration that helps streamline document management and faxing workflows within your location. So today what we're looking at is the landing page in which you would sign into for Documo. So from here, you have the ability to send faxes out. You can see all of the fax numbers in your account, as well as any of the cover pages associated with your account. Lots of different tools on here, but in terms of today's overview, I'm going to be taking you over to the workspaces to show you how this integration actually works with our IDP solution. So think of these workspaces as different folders. You can actually see the folder icons. So different fax workflows have different paths, and we have medical record requests, we have prior authorizations, we have referrals, we have admissions, we have multiple different folders here. For this case, I'm going to go over to our IDP demo, and the first thing I'm going to do is actually go up here to these three dots and do a little explanation of what IDP is. So in this workspace, we can turn on IDP or not. And IDP is intelligent document processing. And what that allows us to do is pull the information off of incoming faxes to be pushed directly into PointClickCare to streamline these faxing workflows. So the first thing I want to show is we can actually run OCR or optical character recognition. So if you have any documents around the office that are handwritten or may have some text to them, we can turn that into a full text document. Next, we would classify that document. So the document classification, like I said, this could be prior authorization, referral, lab work, however we're getting these documents in. And then lastly, running extraction. So extraction is the way to pull the information off of the fax and push it directly into PointClickCare. We also just added the split detection feature, and through split detection, sometimes, from a hospital, you can get multiple patients that are sent over to you, multiple patients' charts in the same fax. This is a way to parse those documents out so the right patients get the right documents. So from here, we can see how we have a number of different documents in our workspace here. So from here, you can see when that fax was received, what the document name is, how it got into the document UI, and it looks like it's already run the patient's name and it's identified it as a care plan. So we can see over here on this right-hand side, if we do need to, run the classification, extraction, or OCR, we can manually do that. I'm going to go ahead and click on this document. And in here, we see it's a treatment plan or a care plan for Sammy Abernathy, and we have the date of birth, as well as any other information that we may need pulled off of this document. It doesn't look like we got too much more information here. So what we're going to do now is take this document along with that information. And right here, we're going to just select the facility, and we're going to search for Sammy. Sammy's going to pop up here as one of our patients. So we go ahead and click on Sammy, and then we're going to go next. And then we're just going to see where we're actually going to send this into the patient's chart into PointClickCare. I'll just send it in as a clinical document. We'll go and hit next. And right now that's uploading the document. So it's a document sent to PointClickCare. It's for Sammy Abernathy. It's at facility 22, and it's a clinical document. So if I jump over to my instance of PointClickCare, I can go ahead and type in Sammy's name up here. So here we go, Sammy. I can do a quick search, and there's Sammy Abernathy right there. And from here, we can see that there was a document in the miscellaneous tab. Here's the effective date in which it was signed. There's the document name, and now we have that document directly inside of the patient's chart. Really exciting to have this integration. Going to be able to save a lot of time and a lot of effort around any paper workflow that you might be encountering or improving on the digital workflows that you currently have in place. For more information, please reach out to us at Documo. We'd love to show you more. Thank you.